Hello everybody. If you have a remote control for your motorized shades or blinds and the remote looks like this, I can help you. This one happens to be a smart home collection remote by Budget Blinds, but it's possible you have a remote that looks exactly like this that has a different brand on it. The part number on this 15-channel remote is MT02-101-069007-A. Here are the remotes that are interchangeable with each other, subject to the number of channels you want to control. 1 channel for 1 shade, 5 channels for 5 shades, or up to 15 channels for 15 shades. Lastly, here are the part numbers for those remotes that are backward compatible to the Budget Blinds remote, and you can find some of these on Amazon. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or informative, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel.